Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. I'm working on my Angels journals a little bit today. I found these botanical cards and rescued them. They are very fragile. It is rice paper. Well, it's mixed media paper layered with rice paper and then dried botanicals and then another layer of rice paper. And they're coming apart. They're super fragile. They're flaking. You can see where this piece is coming up. There's a flower that the whole center is basically separated. Here it is. So I am going to try to save these. I think they're beautiful. I think they'll be a really pretty addition to the angel journals. Here I'm just testing the colors against the digital prints that I'm using. I think they work well. Maybe not the green with the deep orange. That's pretty. I like them. So I'm going to just strengthen the rice paper. I'm just adding some tooth. I'm using some clear gesso. I'm just adding some tooth and some strength to the rice paper, and this is going to help tack down a little bit of the botanical pieces that are coming loose, but this is not going to glue everything down completely. This is so that I can add another layer and things will be a little bit stiffer. There will be some tooth, which will help the next mixed media layer grab and seal and glue these pieces down. I mentioned earlier that these cards were flaking, and what I'm talking about is the botanical pieces are so fragile that even just brushing with this brush, which I'm using a medium brush, but just brushing with this brush is, as you can see, lifting some pieces. And as I get the little flakes, you can see there, I just brushed them in along with everything else, and it just added to the cards. Here's what they look like after the first layer has dried. As I mentioned, not everything's stuck down, but look, I can pull on that and it's not trying to come completely apart. This was that flower that was completely loose. It's glued down. Now I'm going to cover everything and glue everything down with my matte gel medium. I did that, let them dry overnight. And now look, flexi cards. I do have bubbles in here, so if I cut these, I will need to glue the edges back down, but these are very flexible. They're not flaking anymore, and I feel like they will be more usable. These, because the flowers were so dimensional, when I started flexing them, they did crack a little bit, just where the thicker parts of the flowers were. So these do need another coat of matte gel medium, and they need to sit again. But I love how they turned out. Oh, this was the one that the center was completely coming out of, and it is stuck. Very happy with these. I forgot to mention that I did cut these apart where I had postcard size pieces instead of fold up cards so that I had more pieces to use in the journals. And then I decided, gosh, how pretty would these be on the inside of the covers when you opened the books? So I'm testing them. Maybe make a pocket, maybe not. I think they're pretty. I think they're a good size. I'll probably mat them. Let's see what the other one looks like. I like them. This is one of the pages. I'm currently coffee dyeing the rest of the pages for these journals, but this is the size of the page that's going to go into the journals. I'm happy with these. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back to share with y'all the next step in making these journals. Thank you.